Good morning, everybody. It is the day after I quit my job. Good morning, y'all. So today is the first day of me not waking up and going to a job. Someone is taking me on a celebratory breakfast date. Actually not just someone, some people are taking me on a celebratory breakfast date. Y'all, this Florida weather is so crazy. It's so cold today. It is so cold. Siri, what is the temperature today in Jacksonville?
The high temperature for today will be 66 degrees, and the low will be 44 degrees.
How you go from 80 last week to 44 today? All right, headed to breakfast, and yay, Tonio's here. Tonio's here. He say he don't feel good. He does have a doctor's appointment today, but really he took off to be with me on my first day.
I did. I'm going fishing.
You ain't going fishing. You a fishing lie. He took off to be with me. But no, seriously, he does have a doctor's appointment. Y'all look at his eyes. Yeah, his allergies acting crazy. This pollen, it is pretty bad right now. So, got it. So he's having an allergy attack. His eyes are going crazy, but he's here to celebrate with me. We're gonna meet the other person at the restaurant. Here's the other person. Yay, my celebratory breakfast. So we are at Cracker Barrel, and I'm about to grub out. If y'all haven't had the hash brown casserole, try the hash brown casserole. And the apples, it's like a, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a little salad. Grub out. All right, y'all, breakfast was good. I'm just headed to run a couple of errands. We're gonna go. Tonio, you driving or not? You can drive. I'm getting on my nerves about this. We always arguing about who's gonna drive. Anyway, now I'm just running a couple of errands. Got a couple of projects coming up, so I'm about to head to the Dollar Tree. And I probably need to go by Best Buy too.
So much better. I need some real.
Tonio just got him some stunners out of Dollar Tree.
$1.
He say them things work. I love the Dollar Tree. Y'all love the Dollar Tree? Come up in the Dollar Tree. Like, see Shantae? This is her favorite store.
She even used coupons in here.
She loves the Dollar Tree. Alright, so we made it back home, and now I am actually working. I know a lot of people, the first question whenever you quit a job is like, well, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? So for those of you that don't know, I actually have an online clothing store. I have a eBay shop. I have a shop on eBay, and I sell clothes, and I actually do pretty well. So that is what I'll continue to do to bring steady income into the house until I grow my YouTube channel to a point where I'm able to do YouTube full time, which is what y'all know I wanted to do. I said that in my goals video before. But yeah, so right now I'm actually working. I got home, I got a stack of clothes to list. I list clothes every day. I put them up on my store, and we make money, basically. So that's what I'm doing. So once I get these up, it's 1:36, so I pick up Amari from school at 2:45. So really this will be done before it's time to pick him up. I would have listed what I needed to list for the day, and then be able to come home and be home with him, help him with his homework, and then cook dinner. So I feel free today, y'all. I just feel so good. I'm so excited. At first I'm like, you know what, Friday the kids gonna go to school, I'm gonna just stay home and chill, but I don't feel chill in my spirit. I feel like now it's time to hit the ground running. So that's exactly what I'm doing. No days off. I'm listing like I need to list to keep my store going. This morning I shipped off packages. I had a lot of stuff that sold, had some more stuff that sold today, so gotta send that tomorrow. But we grinding, the grind don't stop. So I'm about to list these real quick, and then we're gonna finish out our day. All right, guys, I finished just in time. Got my clothes in here that I just listed everything. And now it is time to go pick up one of the little ones from school. The big kids came home already. Say hi to Jabari. Yeah, cleaning that kitchen. Bust them suds. I'm about to go grab Amari from school, and then oh, it's dark, I'm sorry. There we go. Hey, gotta go grab Amari from school. I was thinking about getting Christian early, but he might have to stay at school all day. Maybe I'll pick him up about 5. Is that wrong? Is that wrong? Should I pick up Christian early? Nah. Out the door. Oh, it's bright out here. Look, it feel a little better. It warmed up a lot. Boy, where your shoes? Where you going without shoes on? Now what if I gotta go to the grocery store? What you gonna do? Stay in the car. It's so crazy. Oh. Boy, riding around without shoes. Who does that? What's wrong with you? What's the matter with you? Hi, Amari.
Hey, Mom. Can I get my hair braided this week?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not?
No.
I want my hair braided.
No, I'm not. All right, going to get dinner. Hey, get that little cart. Asked them what they wanted for dinner. I guess we're getting everything to make loaded baked potatoes. All right, y'all, listen. Christian just got home. What are you doing?
Okay.
What do you have on nail file? He just got home from school, and since I won't be working, well, not that I won't be working anymore, but since I won't have to go to an office anymore, I took him out of daycare. Daycare, I don't know about where y'all live at, but here daycare pretty expensive. So I took him out of daycare, and I let them know that.
You did it. That was Daddy's fault.
Okay, it was Daddy's fault. But I told him that today would be his last day. So he just got home. His daddy went and picked him up, and they made the cutest little book. We will miss you, Christian, from your little Temple's friends. This makes me feel sad. Okay, so let's see. Who made you something? Blaze drew your picture? Who else? Madison drew a cute picture. Look at her hearts. That's so cute. Do you like it?
That's not Madison.
It said Madison. It said she did it.
No, her did like this, like a star.
Let's see the next one. Is this another Madison?
No.
I can't see. They covered up the name.
That's Jackson.
That's an egg. Brooklyn. That's a pretty picture. What?
Not that one. That's not Madison's.
Caden. Look what Caden drew. Oh, that's a good one. Is that you and him?
But he didn't put a stick on it.
But he got one little boy, two little boys. Is that you and Kaden?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so nice. That kind of made me sad a little bit. I don't think he realizes what this means, but...
I want that.
Oh, yeah, and they put you candy on the front.
Yeah, I want it.
Yeah, of course you want it.
Give me. Yeah, I want
Let me
it.
see. Okay, listen, I gotta talk to you. Come up here. Come up here, come up here, come up here. Okay.
No.
So do you know that now you're gonna be home with mommy every day? You're not going to school anymore?
No.
Are you gonna miss your friends? Do you wanna go to school with your friends?
Yeah, after I come back at home.
So you do wanna be with your friends?
Yeah.
So you don't wanna be home with mommy all day?
Yeah, I could come back on a school bus.
You don't ride no school bus.
Yes, I am.
You're not riding no school bus.
Yes, I am.
Oh, Christian.
Oh.
Me and you will do some fun stuff at the house, okay? We can color, and we can learn our ABCs, and we can learn our shapes. We can do all of that.
And play
Yeah, we can play.
outside and inside.
Yeah, we can play outside and inside. Okay?
Okay.
What are you doing, sir? You trying to file your nails?
Yeah.
I don't think you got it right. All right, so I'm getting ready to cook dinner tonight. We are going to have loaded baked potatoes. Cook all of the ingredients and stuff that we're gonna put in them separately because these are gonna take a while.
At school.
Be careful. Don't worry, y'all. I literally just cut it on, so it is not burning. It's not even hot yet. So I don't want y'all to freak out like I got Christian in the oven like this. Y'all, I got Tonio in here finishing the meat. The meat. Don't what? I got Tonio in here finishing the meat. He just tried to fuss at me, telling me, you got Tonio in here finishing the meat, or you asked Tonio to finish the meat? I said, boo, go cook that meat. And you see what he's doing.
And tomorrow she has a black eye.
Whatever. All right, y'all, that is it. Baked potato with ground beef, cheddar cheese, broccoli, sour cream, onion, and bacon bits. Stop.
Yeah.
That's it. Dinner is served. Time to eat. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and I will see y'all tomorrow, possibly. Oh yeah, cause we're going somewhere tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah,
Say toodles. Oh.